Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start Kia Sorento without key. Use legal options. Call roadside assistance, use the manufacturer app if available, or contact a certified locksmith or dealer for verification and help. Avoid attempting bypass techniques that could damage electronics or violate laws. Keep ownership documents and ID handy and follow professional instructions to protect your vehicle and avoid voiding warranties. If your Sorento won't start due to a fob issue, test the battery and replace it with the correct type to restore function. Try holding the fob close to the start button per the owner's manual steps, or use the physical key to unlock and access help. If problems persist, call roadside support or a dealer to diagnose the immobilizer and avoid DIY fixes that may harm the vehicle's electrical system. Calling professionals is often the safest and quickest solution if you cannot start your Sorento without a key. Roadside assistance can jump the battery or tow you to a dealer, while a certified locksmith or dealer can verify ownership and provide a replacement or reprogram a fob. Manufacturer apps and connected services may offer authenticated remote unlock options, but always confirm identity and follow official procedures to protect your vehicle and data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.